Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to unboxing LED photo lights clips which I bought from Amazon for only 399 rupees. Its original cost is 799, so it's quite good deal, friends. Let me show you what's inside.
And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
It's a 20 LED 3-meter photo clips. We can use this directly on power, guys.
And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
We can use this hook to hang the lights instead of using nails on the wall.
Hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
This is very good product to decorate our home with memorable moments, friends.
Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. Just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.